Pinterest affiliate marketing for free, $300 strategy every week. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on Pinterest with affiliate marketing and how much can you really earn with affiliate marketing on Pinterest. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you might be wondering is how do you get started with the Pinterest platform and how do you get started with affiliate marketing on the Pinterest platform? So if we go on to different platforms, you're going to be able to find any site like ClickBank or any other affiliate marketing program where you can actually sign up to become an affiliate, and that is going to be the first step to becoming a affiliate marketer on Pinterest. So you're going to go on a site like clickbank.com, and then you can just click on sign up over here, and this is a affiliate network, so you're going to be able to find different affiliate links to start promoting. So I already have an account, but if you don't, you just have to sign up with your email address and your phone number. So I'm just going to log into my account, and once you have logged into your account, so once you go on to any of your affiliate marketing programs, you're going to go and you're just going to go into the marketplace. So you're just going to go onto the product section over here, and then you can just go onto the top sellers or featured products and see what are the different affiliates that are being currently available and are a hot seller. So you can see over here that you have your overall trending list. And what you're going to do is you're going to sign up to get your affiliate link. And once you have your affiliate link, you can start designing it. Now, how do you promote and design an affiliate with Pinterest? Well, to post on Pinterest, you post in these little images. So you want to make a very creative image to promote your affiliate link. And you can easily do that with Canva and Vecteezy. So you can use these platforms to create a very nice visual image that you can then post on Pinterest to promote your affiliate. And the first step to that is obviously first you have to get your affiliate. So you can see this is the 360 maker bundle in affiliate, and then you have to fill out a form to get this affiliate, although there are many different affiliates that are available for instant, so you don't have to actually sign up. You can get your link instantly, and that just depends on the kind of platform that you're working on. If you're looking at affiliates on JVZoo, you might have to sign up for some of the affiliates, but for other affiliates you can work directly and you can just start promoting your affiliate instantly. But let's say we want this affiliate. So this is a animation studio commercial Animate Pal 2.0, and we're just going to click on more information over here, and this is just a promotion for an animation tool. So you can see over here that this is what they want. This is the kind of affiliate marketing they want. So we're going to go on and we're going to go on to Canva, and we're just going to click on custom size over here. You're going to change it from pixels to inches, and then you are going to give it a width of 16 and a height of 12, and you're going to click on create new design. And then you're going to create a cute little image to post onto Pinterest to start promoting your affiliate. And you don't want to copy and paste the images directly from your affiliate. So if you have a mailer kit bundle, you can't really promote this kind of affiliate with a boring informative image. You want something that's interesting and that speaks to the Pinterest audience. So you're going to go onto Canva, and right now let's just actually take the example of our little Animate Pal, and this is an animation studio. So for this we want a good animation in our Pinterest pin as well. So we're gonna open up cartoons, and I'm just gonna search for cartoons over here. I'm gonna open these up, and I'm gonna add a few cute little animations like this, and I'll make sure that it is a bit different so it doesn't look very basic. I want something that keeps it interesting. Let's search for cartoon house, and I'm just gonna keep on searching. I like this animated image, so I'm gonna send this back. I'm gonna expand it, send it back. I'm gonna add this cute little image, or I don't know, I think it doesn't fit, so I'm going to delete that. I'm just going to keep on looking for a image until I find something that I really like. So I'm just going to keep looking, and let's find something else. Cartoon animated landscape. This, so we're gonna add a few images like this on the side. Control C and Control V, copy and paste your little images. We're gonna send this backward, like this. And we can add a bunny. We add all of our little cute little cartoons. We can go onto the text section over here, and whatever is the name of the affiliate that we're promoting, we can copy and paste that on. So this is Animate Pal, and we're gonna just go on over here, go back to our Canva platform, go onto the font combinations, and you can open up any font combination that you like. So I'm just gonna go with the glow one, and then you can add the name for the affiliate. So we can add bring your ideas to life with Animate Pal. And now I'm going to obviously resize the text from here. And now I can just resize it accordingly. So I'm just going to drag my text to the side, and I am going to expand that like so. And like this, then you can just download this image or your little short video and then start uploading it on Pinterest. So on Pinterest, you have to sign up with your Gmail account or your email account, and then you can start posting. You can see that I have a business account for Pinterest, and you can easily set up your business account for Pinterest. I already have a detailed video on that. Once you have your business account, the advantage for that is that you get detailed analytics and overviews for how your pins are doing, what is the engagement, impression, and your audience. So you're going to be able to get a better estimate of how well your affiliates are doing. Now, once you have actually created your affiliate image, how do you post it on Pinterest, and how do you link your affiliate? Well, you're just going to go onto the create section. You're going to click on create a pin, and then once you click on create a pin, you're going to be led to this section. Now over here, you're going to upload the image that you created on Canva. Then you're going to add a title like the best animation tools, something like that. Then you can add whatever the pin or the affiliate is about, and then you're going to add your actual affiliate link over here. So whatever affiliate link that you get from JVZoo or ClickBank, whatever the affiliate link is, you're going to copy and paste it onto this add the destination links section over here. And this is how easy it is to start making money on Pinterest as an affiliate marketer. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything, and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.